Hey, good afternoon. My name is Aki Mikkola, and I'm about to take a look at the video that is entitled as Put Your Digital Twin to Work. This video is made in Savonia University of Applied Sciences in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and based on the title, Digital Twins. This seems to be very interesting and I think it is there happens to be a close link to work that I'm doing in LUT University. So I'm a professor in LUT University, and my professorship is related to multi-body system dynamics and computational dynamics. So let's take a look. Let's take a look.
In the world of machine design.
Oh my God! So these guys are already making this like a very professional, even though that no pictures yet. But I can see that this is very very promising in the world of machine design.
There are many traditions and methods carved in stone. That was until a new player emerged.
Under the new player, okay, I'm guessing, I don't know, I haven't seen this before, but I'm guessing the new player somehow have to be related to digital twin. So again, still is a black window, so no images so far, but I based on the music and the storytelling, that this seems to be very professional.
Let me explain. Marketing and sales. Here is an average salesperson at an excavator shop.
Okay, so this looked like a professional guy, definitely. So with the classic phone and the knife, and that's pretty much all you need to know.
One day a customer calls in, demanding to get a test ride in the next year's excavator model. Salesperson now has a choice to make. He can show.
Very nice, very nice. I see that this is I get this look like the real actors, professional
actors. Customer
actors.
the printed marketing material and tell the customer that the test model won't arrive until 6 months from now.
Okay, so a little bit of disagreement, and I like that. How is this other guy addressed? Or, I'm guessing.
He can sit the customer to a simulator bench and load up the latest table release from R&D department Digital Twin.
Oh, now you're talking. So very nice. Very nice difference when how it was a conventional and how it is in a modern current life. Looking good. And this guy, of course, is happy because, they're all using this method. And, the salesperson is not sure what to do with all the money. So that was the first part. I guess it's...
mechanical engineering.
Okay, so mechanical engineering. So the first one was just like more like business
mechanical
perspective.
Designers at an average excavator building company. They have a disagreement about the design. Does the positioning of the boom cylinder fixing...
Yeah, so this is a typical thing. So now there is not clear what to do. So one guy in the left thinks something else and the guy in the right, and I'm, I don't know, but I sense it that this is going to be a serious disagreement because both of them seems to know what to do. So let's see how this goes.
Allow enough leverage or not.
So it's about how is the 4-bar mechanism.
They now have a choice to make.
It wasn't the 4-bar mechanism, but it was like where to put the hydraulic cylinder.
Keep escalating their arguments.
And of course, the strongest and the loudest will make the final decision.
Or are they going to load the digital twin and check
or are they going to use some more sophisticated ways to do it? So they can have some hands-on experience, like which one is the best way to go. Looking good. Looking very good. So
automation engineering.
Automation engineering. That will be the next.
An excavator assembler at an excavator assembly line.
Okay, this is very classical setup. So this guy is doing a welding some kind. Well, in a workshop that is also not so nice looking place. So it's not so well. I would say that the kind of like a traditional workshop. So I'm looking forward how this story will go then.
An average automation engineer has just finished first draft of the excavator control system software for the new machine. The assembler informs the automation engineer.
Okay, very nice. So very nice. So now the guy that is doing the welding is struggling.
It is going to be another 6 months until the excavator will be ready for
another
testing.
6 months.
The automation engineer now has a
Automation
choice to make.
engineer, I guess, not
Will
happy.
he spend the next 6 months trying to picture in his head how the machine will
So
work?
he's gonna, okay, so he's gonna look like a Santa Claus once the 6 months is done. Or
will he load up the digital twin, attach the
Digital
control
twin.
system,
Again,
and test
digital
his
twin.
software almost as thoroughly as with a real prototype?
oh, very very nice. And this is in 6 days, I guess, instead of 6 months. Oh, this is really great. So these guys are actually getting some really hands-on experience how this new automotive system will feel like. So this is a big deal. Of course, it's a big deal. So you can first you tested how is a connection of the hydraulic cylinder, how this making the feeling of the machine to be different. You can also check it out like how is the productivity. Is there any effect to energy consumption? So all that can be easily tested. And now this guy is even testing how is this autonomous features and the features related to automation in the machine. So the software is also tested here. Software testing, by the way, is something that needs quite a bit of time and effort to do. So looks promising. And he's happy. What about this guy? Oh, it's just ending. The story is ending now. Okay, so what next? Operation training. Okay, so operation training. So you get started from the sales, then mechanical engineering, then the guy that was designing the software, and now it's about the time to train some people. So we'll see how that goes.
Excavator contractor in remote sites.
Oh, look at that. So excavator
of the
LTD.
Excavator model. The new models have substantial amount of new key features, which need sophisticated driving technique and a lot of training before conducting the work. Unfortunately, he hears that the ship carrying those excavators will be delayed by 6 weeks. The whole project schedule is in danger.
This guy is in a trouble. So not able to train his staff to operate the machine.
The contractor now has a choice to make. Will he delay the project schedule and pay the fees of delay?
Or let me guess, digital twin.
Will he fly in some real-time training simulators with excavator digital twin?
Okay, very nice, very nice. So this is, so it looks that these guys are using the real-time simulation model in the environment, which is clearly good representation of reality. There's a the ground that is deformable. You can even move some dirt from one location to another, and you can make some serious money. This guy, this time it looked like it's the Bitcoin money. Anyways, and that's about it. Service, that's next.
The average contractor is still working in the remote sites.
Okay, so this is somewhere
one of his
nowhere
new
near to roads or anything else.
To cooperate.
And things going south, seriously in the south.
The excavator manufacturer and demands for service engineer to be on site no later than yesterday.
No later than yesterday.
The service engineer now has a choice to make. Will he pack his bags, book a 48-hour flight plan, and forget about his life for a couple of months?
Life and family and so on and so forth. Yeah,
will he download the far-reach machine diagnostics for his digital twin and make the troubleshooting from his home?
Okay, so very nice. So the sensor signals from this remote location that was transferred to this engineer's desk, and now the guy is figuring out like what is going on, this machine, and may be able to make a diagnosis remotely. I don't know if able to fix the problem remotely. We'll see that momentarily. Oh yeah. So able to solve the problem. That's how it went.
Autonomous training.
Autonomous training. So
Here is an average R&D manager with his team. They are developing an autonomously operating excavator. They have now calculated that the neural networks require 20,000 hours of excavator operation.
okay. So now these guys are decided to use neural network based training, and we all know that it takes forever to do the training. So it's a great way to go. But the problem related to that it needs so much data that it is really hard to believe how much data is needed. So you want to get the data from using the experiments. Oh my God, the lifetime for sure is not going to be enough to do so. So I sensing
Data
digital twin
to
will
be
come into
trained
play.
properly.
Oh
The
my,
R&D
okay,
manager now has a choice to make. Will
years.
he hire
So
a
it
bunch
wasn't
of test
months anymore,
drivers
but years.
and wait for them to collect 20,000 hours of driving data?
So 5 years now. Is it going to go all the way to 6 years?
Or
5 years.
will he load up the digital twin in expedited time environments and have a script drive the excavator during the nights
So you can
and
do the faster
weekends?
and real-time computing, so you can really boost how the data is produced.
The time of digital transformation has now reached the traditional industry of machine building and the
Nice.
remote region of northern Savonia.
Okay, so Savonia University of Applied Sciences was able to solve the whole lines of problems, starting from the marketing and now all the way to service and autonomous operations. So, and this is where these guys are located at, I guess. Hey, very nice video. So I see, this says Savonia University of Applied Sciences, Mechanical Engineering. Great video. So it was good stuff. Very nice to look at this thing. And nicely, these guys are covering all these different product processes, starting from the scratch all the way to autonomous features and the services and all that. Fun to watch. Fun to watch. Okay, so this was end. Okay, so this is an acknowledgement to European Union. Okay, so that was a video in total. A lot of fun, a lot of high quality stuff, a lot to learn. So I recommend to take a look at this video. Thank you very much.